Welcome back! In today's class, we will be learning how to make use of accessibility tools on your device to make it easier to use. Are you wondering what accessibility tools are? Accessibility tools are designed to make devices more user-friendly and accessible for individuals with disabilities or those who may benefit from additional assistance. Here are some common accessibility tools you can make use of on your device to enhance usability. Let's start with text-to-speech, TTS for short. Text-to-speech functionality converts written text into spoken words, allowing users to listen to documents, emails, web pages, and other content. Activate the text-to-speech features to have text read aloud. Closed captions. Closed captions let you read the words that are spoken in the audio part of a video or television show. When closed captioning is turned on, closed captions are usually displayed at the bottom of the screen. Closed captions are often used by people with hearing disabilities and by viewers who would rather read than listen to the audio portion of a video. Magnifier. The magnifier tool enlarges portions of the screen, making it easier for users with visual impairments to see details. Use the magnifier feature to zoom in on texts, images, or websites. Magnifier makes all or parts of your screen larger and easier to see. Voice control. Voice control allows users to interact with their device using voice commands instead of manual inputs. Activate voice control features to navigate menus, launch apps, compose messages, and perform other tasks using spoken commands. Customizable display settings. Many devices offer customizable display settings such as font size, color schemes, and display resolution. Adjust these settings to suit your preferences and accommodate any visual or cognitive impairments. Text cursor. A text cursor is a visual indicator on a device screen that shows the current position for entering or editing text. It typically appears as a blinking vertical line, and its position determines where the text will be inserted or modified. We've come to the end of this class. I believe you've learned what accessibility tools are, what they are used for, and how to use them. See you in the next class. Bye.